Good evening, doctor. So, yeah, this is in regards to the presentation of D3 JavaScript and presentation, the one that you gave us. So, my data set is about MIT course enrollment, and that is what I'm going to be analyzing today. I've presented in class, but I have to record this video for as a requirement in the presentation. So yeah, the dataset is about MIT Masters in Information Technology course enrollment, and we are analyzing the course units that exist and how different students these enroll to these. So the essence of this research is majorly to identify popular courses and unpopular courses, and these will be marked by highest and lowest enrollment. To also identify distribution across specialization, for example, where the core courses are taken by many students and the other specialization courses are taken by fewer students. Then, as well, we are to illustrate program structure in regards to hierarchy, where we can clearly explain analogies of what course falls under which and clearly describe a tree of different courses and how they correlate. Uh, and lastly, we are to give the relative importance of specialization for the courses, and this can be used for decision making by management to identify which course is taken on by many students and which one has the lowest enrollment, what the reasons could be for the low enrollment, and how they can improve. It could be due to laboratories, less laboratories. It could be due to other reasons, say hardship of the course and other reasons. Yeah. So I'll deep down in into code. So what I've used is I've created an index page to render my application in the web browser, and it is a short one. However, I've as well referenced some JavaScript codes to to source the data. I've described the data in an array. I've created an array of MIT data, and this stores the data structure. I mean the courses and the specializations, and considering whether it's core, as well as I've created another array for specialization, and that as well takes in variables like core and stuff like that. So in the JavaScript as well, there are functions called chat and others that pick out that that do the actual rendering of the SVGs into the browser. Um, for looking beautifully or trying to make everything look fine, I've used CSS, and as well to describe the formatting, the padding, and how things are going to be rendered into the web browser. So I'll go ahead and refresh and run the code in the web browser to show you how this looks like. So data is represented into a bar chart to show data structures. These are the type of course units that can be enrolled for, and how people and all students are enrolling in regards to their numbers and different courses. Also, you will realize that from the above data, you can as well group, and you realize that core course units are taken by many people, considering that these are not electives. These are taken, should be taken by literally everyone. So they have the biggest number of enrollment. And other subjects that are selectives have lesser people. In terms of structure, I wanted to present this to show how this data can be rendered. So I've created a tree layout showing the program as masters, and this masters as core course units or courses, which also core course units have different course units under them, and also specializations also have other systems under them. So this clearly describes and shows this information in a way that is well presentable, and users can easily understand. For decision making, I've used this stream up where it clearly shows that the biggest number of people or students have enrolled for the core subjects that are here: data structures and algorithms, then web development, because those are core. And you will realize here that data structures, algorithms, and database are part of those that are highly enrolled for. So here it shows you, it clearly shows you that they have enrolled for them. Many students have enrolled for the core, followed by development and system course units. So ideally, that is majorly what I managed to come up with. But D3 is powerful, and it can be used for many different things. Maybe key insight from the analysis that I've done using D3 is you will realize that core specialization is the most popular, making up of nearly 1.5 of enrollment. Security is 60, and data science is this. And this is it suggests that awareness for those courses that haven't been enrolled for needs to be done, and also management needs to identify why students are not enrolling for those. Perhaps it could be due to career guidance or any other reason, but yeah, they need to use the analysis to identify why are students not enrolling for these course units, or why is there low enrollment for this course unit. And also it can help plan that for bigger classes, say if core subjects core course units are taken on by many students, then you plan on how to provide a bigger environment, and also provide for more resources on how this can be disseminated into the students. Yeah, that is it from me. I thank you.